Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to turn on and off double tap to turn on off-screen Samsung. To activate this function, we will do the following. We open our settings and click on Advanced Features. After that, we click on the Motions and Gestures option. Here we can activate both the double tap to turn on the screen and the one that turns off the screen. Finally, we can check that by making 2 taps on the screen, we can turn it on or off. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.